Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to process the arrears for the new joinees. Salary arrears should be paid to the new hires who have joined the organization after the previous month's payroll cutoff date. These arrears will be paid in the current month's payroll. You can include new hires in the current month's salary process. The system will automatically compute arrears based on the date of joining and the loss of pay entered. To verify the payroll cutoff date, go to Payroll Settings, click Configure Rules, Set Up Rules, click Advanced Settings. You can set the new joinee cutoff date from the drop-down. To process the new joinee arrears, click Transactions, click Manage Revision under Compensation, click Process New Joiner Arrears under Workflow. The list of new hires for whom the process has not been completed and have joined in the months before the current processing month will be displayed. Select the location from the drop-down. If you want to select a specific employee, enter the employee code or name. You can also check the box against the specific employee's name. Click Update LOP to update the previous month's loss of pay, if any. Click Save. Click Import to process the new hire arrears for multiple employees. Click Download Template here. Update the file and save it to the local drive. Click Choose File, select the file and click Import. The arrears will be processed in the current month's payroll for the selected employees. You should run the payroll process for the current month to calculate the arrears or the recovery. Once the payroll process has been done, click List, select the month, and you can see the details of new hires for whom the salary arrears have been processed. Please note, this option can be used if you have not checked the box Calculate New Joinee Arrears when importing hires in bulk under Teams, Directory, Import New Joinees, and here you will have to check the box Calculate New Joinee Arrears. You will also use this option if you have manually created the new hires without using the new hire import option, that is the Import Employee Master. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.